Hi, I'm Ryan from Ooznest. In today's tutorial we're going to be going over how to use some different types of finish on your project. We're going to be looking at sculpting, using a wood oil finish, and lastly using resin to do an inlay. To begin with, we're going to cut 3 equal squares into the material. This is going to highlight the difference between each finish we're going to use. Once this is complete, I'm going to go outside and sculpt one of the squares. Whilst the WorkBee is cutting our profiles out, we can get together the tools we need for the sculpting process. You will need a blowtorch, heat and fireproof gloves, and be in a well ventilated area. When sculpting the material, make sure that you distribute the heat evenly over the workpiece. Now that we've sculpted the workpiece on one of the squares, it's time to begin machining 3 identical designs onto the workpiece. For this tutorial, we are cutting pine using one of our new Dan cut bits available on our website. This will prevent tear out on the project, leaving a nice clean finish. Once the pattern is cut, I have prepared a clean area to pour our resin. For this tutorial, we're using a glass cast resin with a copper powder from Easy Composites. Remember to wear gloves and have everything you need to hand. We're going to mask off an area to stop the resin leaking into the areas that we want to keep clean. Following the manufacturer's instructions, mix the resin to the correct ratios, constantly stirring the mixture and transferring into a new container to prevent any uneven mixing. When pouring, try to be precise as it helps control how much you need to sand later. Once you have a level pour, leave in a dust-free environment for 24 hours. Once cured, we're going to need to sand the resin level with the surface using an orbital sander. Now that we've sanded down the resin, we can begin to cut each of the 3 experiments out from the material. Once the coasters have been fully cut out, we will have to remove the tabs we added for holding them down securely. This will give us time to repair an area to apply the Osmo oil finish. For the oil finish, we have chosen to use an Osmo Interior clear satin product, as it is easy to use and brings out the grain of the hardwood whilst protecting the material. I am also going to apply some of the oil finish to the resin experiment, as it really makes the resin shine and pop from the surface. I hope you found this video useful. We've gone over using the sculpting process, applying an oil and doing a resin infill. These are 3 of the most popular ones we use here in the workshop. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let us know. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe.